Good morning. It is 8:15. I got to the gym a little bit late. I just dropped off Ari at preschool. We were just running behind today, but today's video is going to be another what I eat in a day, and today I will be adding calories to it. So I feel like the calories gave you guys a better perspective of like eating and stuff, but more than just calories when it comes to eating healthy, you guys. So that's why I typically don't count calories, because I just don't want to get obsessed with like the number. Same reason why I don't weigh myself all the time. Like there's just more to a healthy lifestyle and like calorie counting and weighing yourself all the time. So I just wanted to say that. But for those of you who do count calories, I will be adding calories in today's video. We're gonna do this day in the lifestyle. I just feel like I can give you guys more information when I do it this way in vlog style and stuff, and it just feels more realistic in my opinion. It's just me. But this morning I did have my Revive overnight oats. I don't know if you guys are sick of me talking about them, but I absolutely love them. But I did not finish it. I just wasn't really hungry this morning. I ate half of it because I don't like working out on like a super empty stomach. So that was 310 calories for half of it, because that one cup was 600 calories. So I'll probably finish that when I get done with the gym. And then for my coffee today, I'm just doing black coffee because I don't take a pre-workout, and I feel like the creamer was making me sluggish at the gym. So I just wanted to try just straight black coffee. And then of course I had my lemon water this morning before I even touched my coffee. I did finish that, so this is a new water that I can take inside with me. Gonna take you guys along with me. I hope you guys get some meal ideas. Let me know in the comments if you are new, and I will meet you after the gym. But super excited because today's video is actually in collaboration with my best friend, not just on YouTube, but my best friend in real life. She is an adopted mama of 5, and she did show her foster to adoption journey on her last 2 girls. I was on that journey with her for the past year, and it was a roller coaster, you guys. She kept it very real. She showed the truth when it comes to the foster to adoption journey, and this mama is so strong. She's a fantastic woman, but on her channel, she is a lifestyle motherhood vlogger as well. She does a ton of mommy routine videos along with day in the life vlogs, grocery hauls, and all that fun stuff. She has great decluttering tips if you follow her on Instagram as well. Such a big ball of fun, and I know you guys are going to love her. I can go on and on about her, but you guys are gonna fall in love as soon as you see her. So I will link her channel down in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to her channel and let her know that I sent you. And if you are coming from her channel, welcome. I hope you guys stick around. I do a ton of healthy lifestyle, motherhood, health and wellness videos, along with some grocery hauls, and I'm gonna start a new decluttering process for my own home as well. So I hope you guys like what you see. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, and let's just get on to what I eat in a day. Okay, doing a little bit of a Target run, and then I think I'm gonna get Starbucks here today. I'm not sure though. It's still hot. I love this. It's new for me. It's called Corksicle. It keeps your hot beverages hot for 3 hours and your cold beverages cold for 9 hours, and it really does work. Like, I've burnt my lip on here after 2 hours of hot food being in there. If you leave this like closed, it keeps it hot longer, so I have to like leave it open the first hour to like let some steam out. But it's great for those mornings where like I'm busy and the kids won't let me sit down and finish my coffee. I don't have to like warm up my coffee as often, so it's super great. But I was gonna get Starbucks, but willpower, I said no because I still have oatmeal, so I'm gonna finish my oatmeal. It's 9:36, and then get the baby off of Eric's hand so he can get ready for work, and then probably eat a little bit closer to like 11. What are you doing? Can you say hi again? Alright guys, it is currently 10:07. I am getting ready because I need to film a Valentine's Day video. So I just want to get dressed before picking up Aria. So as soon as they take a nap, I can just jump on filming and it's a lot easier. I did have like a little snack, so I finished my oats from this morning. I still don't feel super hungry. I can eat, but I'm not like hungry, if that makes sense, you guys. And then I'm having another coffee with creamer because black coffee is so hard to drink, but it gets easier, I promise you, and it's really good for you to have black coffee in the morning. And then your lemon water, of course. But I did 2 tablespoons of the amaretto from International Delights, which you guys know is my favorite coffee creamer, is the International Delights. And the amaretto, if you like almonds, you'll love that one. And then I did my K12 vitamins with my turmeric and my probiotics. And then of course my collagen powder inside of my coffee. Okay guys, so I've been really big on like not wasting food. So I had some leftover organic bow tie noodles. This chicken stock has the lowest amount of sodium I've ever seen. So it's from Kitchen Basics. It's like $1.98. It only has 140 milligrams of sodium. And then this came from a little party platter. We had family over, and so I got one of those like party trays. So I just cut it up and put it in here so I can repurpose it into a soup. So that was about 2.5 cups of the veggies. I did a cup of the noodles and then about 3 cups of the chicken stock. You can also do vegetable stock if you wanted to as well, but I just had chicken stock on hand. And again, I don't want to waste food, so this is just getting rid of all of my leftovers. And turn the heat down and I let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until everything's nice and tender. Okay, it is 3:20. I came down here to make a snack and take a quick break from filming. I was filming while the kids were taking a nap, but they just woke up too. So everyone's having their little snack. I was going to do graham crackers and peanut butter, but I'm out of peanut butter. This may be weird, but you guys, I just tested it and it tastes like a blueberry cheesecake. Okay, so I have my graham crackers. That was my little taste test because I'm not gonna recommend something to you if I don't like it. Then I have the seedless blackberry preserves and some whipped cream cheese. You guys need to try this. I know it seems weird, but it's good, and I promise you, cheesecake. I wish I would have thought about this when I was pregnant, because this would have been perfect for all of those weird cravings that I had. Like, it still has a little bit of saltiness from the cream cheese, but the blackberry preserve is so good. Alright guys, it is 5:34. Usually I would have had dinner done by now, but Eric's closing tonight, so I'm kind of a little bit more relaxed. And it took me forever to film that video. I honestly filmed that video like 7 times. I just didn't like how it came out, but I'm hoping once I start editing, it'll like come together a little bit better. So tonight I am doing sweet potato chili. It was supposed to be like a meatless Monday meal, but I did get turkey sausage, which I forgot to take out. So I'm gonna be using my Instant Pot because you can cook from frozen in the Instant Pot. Oh, no, sweetie. And then if you guys watched my grocery haul that I just posted Sunday, I think, of this week, I'll link it if you guys didn't. I showed like what I do as far as like meal prepping ingredients to make my life easier, and one of the things was cube and cut up all the veggies. So I already have my sweet potatoes all cut up, so the only thing I need to do is chop up an onion really quick, and then essentially you just throw everything in here and just let it cook. Alright guys, I don't normally do this, but I'm gonna go ahead throw like 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I will saute the onions. If your meat is not cooked, this is a good time to cook it. You don't want to throw the meat in there raw, so you want to cook your meat, but mine is already cooked. It's just frozen, so it should thaw out by the time everything is done cooking. I'm just gonna throw it in there with some of the garlic in there just to kind of give it more of like a flavor when it's sauteed. Okay, I'm 90% sure that I accidentally picked up cilantro and not parsley because it has a bit of a limey taste to it, but I mean, it's pretty good. I feel like I say that about everything, but you guys, I would not give you recommendations on food if I didn't think it was good. Okay, but I've gotten extremely tired in the last hour. It is currently 6:54, so I'm gonna eat some of this and give the kids a bath for bed and then probably finish it afterwards. So I will not be having a dessert or a snack after dinner, just because I've been trying to go to bed early and I've been trying not to eat so close to bedtime. But I hope you enjoyed today's recipes. I will leave all of them down in the description box below for you, so if you want to make them, you know exactly what I ate and how to do that. And don't forget to check out my friend Christina's channel. I will leave her in the description box below, as well as at the end of this video, so you can check out her what I eat in a day. And like I said, you guys are gonna love her, so make sure you subscribe to her channel and let her know that I sent you. But as always guys, I love you and I will see you in the next one.